Hey guys, it's James here with Side Hustle Automation Affiliate Mastery. I'm just going to quickly go through the actual editing function on Clickfunnels and how you can quickly edit your pages to tailor them to how you want them and how to flow easily for each page visitor. So just quickly, I'm just going to go into, I've already selected a funnel that I use, which is just for the one funnel away campaign. And I'm actually going to go into the page here, which is like my opt-in page. And I'm just going to quickly show you the editing functions available. Now, ClickFunnels actually uses a drag and drop function, which is very easy to navigate and also to use. So it's very easy to put in pictures, changing text, fonts, and opt-in information as well, and links to other pages. So I'm just going to quickly start, and also you can change the mobile settings to suit both desktop and for mobile phone. So very, very easy to navigate, and you can optimize each page suitable for that person's device. So just quickly, we got settings here. We got integrations where you would connect your email autoresponder. So for example, I use GetResponse personally, and so I'm just going to, as an example, remove the integration, select my integration, add to a campaign because that's where I want the emails to go, and I want to select a specific list, and I'm going to select sales funnel free course. So that would go against both email and mobile. It's very easy. If you have a pop-up box, for example, when someone clicks this, I'll get a pop-up. So I'm just going to show you guys my pop-up, and then this will come up. So just to say that they're almost complete, and I'm going to send them their free courses, which is what you're inside now. No 100% free, no credit card required. And then they'll enter the address, and once they submit this, that email will go straight to my list. So, and they'll then go onto the next page in the funnel. So when they go onto the next page, they'll actually go, so what you want to do, you want to get the next page of your funnel, get the URL website, and then you'll go to general. And then you'll copy that link and you'll put that in this box on the submit go to. And when they submit the email, you would make sure that they would actually go to that page. So very easy. You can optimize your pages for Google AdWords, also Bing, like search engines. So you can actually optimize that if you want to get some free traffic. Tracking code, you can optimize this, or you can get a pixel from Facebook, Google to so obviously capture that user's data, and you can retarget them in ad campaigns. Custom CSS, if you're into coding, you can actually code on these pages as well. Background, you can change the background settings. So for example, you can go in here, image URL, so you click on this, they've actually got a storage unit up like on the back end, and you can come in here and you can select any background image that you want. So you can do a search, background. They also have stock images for backgrounds, so very easy. Background images, they got different settings for you. I'll just let that load for you guys so you can get a bit of an idea of what the generic backgrounds would look like for when you trying to do a page. You can get stock, where they've got stock images, and maps as well. So it's very, very easy to pick out. They've got a wide range of images so you can actually select without having to purchase. Then what you can actually do is that I'm just going to go in a bit of an example here. I'm just going to create a whole new section. So when you're starting out and how you get these elements here, you need a new section. So you can go add section, and for example, on the first page, you might want to do full width. If you want it shorter in length, you can just do wide. And then what you'll want to do, you want to add a new row. So for example, here I've just added a single column. You can choose the column, 2 columns. So for example, down here, I've actually used a single column, but here I might want to put 2 pictures in, and I'm going to grab some elements, and another sidebar will come up where you can put headlines, sub-headlines, paragraph, image pop-up, videos if you want to put a YouTube video there, audio player, another button. So you can really optimize your pages which is suitable for your product. So you got image features, navigation, progress bars. You got a whole wide range of elements here. Really good one, countdowns for a bit of like fear of loss. So if they've got a deadline to actually purchase the products, otherwise they'll miss out or the price may go up. So for example, I'm just going to quickly show you how easy it is just to put a picture in. So demo image. Another image there. I'm just going to click on this image and the editing bar will come up. Now what I want to do, you can actually also, I'm just going to show you this. I'll get an image. Say click, if I want to send them to the Fuego multiplier, for example. I want to add that image, click on that image, add that image, and what you can actually do is that you can go to, for example, if I want to send them to that page to purchase the Fuego multiplier, just a generic example only, I would send them to fuego.myrichmindset.com. Save that, and then when the page is actually live, if someone clicks on that picture, it'll go send them straight to that website. You can do that, you don't have to do that, but you can actually optimize pages for links on buttons as well. So I can actually put in a button. I won't put that here now. However, I will. So for example, if I wanted a picture button and say try Clickfunnels for free for 14 days, I want to add that image, and then I can put my affiliate link to their free trial page right here. And then when the page goes live, it will actually be clickable. You can also do some other elements. So for example, if you wanted to get some animation going, you can do fade in with scale, themes. You can pop about a little bit, you can curve them. For example, here, like you can circle it on the edges. So it's really a good interactive and a really good way to optimize any sales pages for your funnels. So, and then you can add an element like we did here. Columns, add elements, which is basically, this is an element here. You can actually drop it down, or you can actually add an element and you can drop it wherever you want. So it's very, very easy. And then you've got the preview toolbar. This is very handy to have. So if I want to preview it, this is what it'll look like. Oh, I want to save that. Give it a moment. And then you can preview. So say for example, you can click here and yeah, it really does. So I've got the link there as well, link here, and then yeah, so guys, you can really like optimize these pages to however you want to. Very, very useful indeed. So guys, on the next lesson, I'm actually going to quickly run through how to quickly build a lead page and a bridge page. Very simple, very easy, and I do them within 15 minutes. Once you get the hang of it, it's very quick to do. And then even when you can save those pages as a template, so you don't have to redo them entirely from scratch again, and you can actually just edit them. So when you do your next review on your next JV product or even on your own product, you can just save those pages and reuse them as a duplicate funnel. So alright guys, thanks very much. This is just a quick introduction on the editor, and yeah, I'll see you in the next lesson where I'm going to help you guys build your first review funnel. Thanks guys.